All right. I have a 2021 GP 1800R, like the one in the back of Hulkster. Are they known to have block issues where the water gets in oil? Not block.
Yeah, cylinder head. Right. So 2021, they supposedly fixed the casting
Okay.
to prevent cracks. Problem is, in 2021, not every ski got the new head. I actually have a 2021 in my shop right now, identical to this one, with a cracked head, getting a complete engine rebuild. But even the new head.
Was there a casting number that was different or anything like that?
Yeah, I'd have to pull it up, but there is a physical difference. So they did change the casting, but not all the 2021 skis got it. Later skis do have it, but I have seen those crack too. So they didn't completely eliminate the issue here.
Oh my gosh!
Now the 1.9 has been completely redesigned, even though it looks similar. So hopefully we will not see any issue there because the casting wasn't revised; it was completely changed.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that they learn from the past, as most manufacturers do, and it will no longer be an issue on the okay. It won't be an issue on the new ones, hopefully. So time will tell.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.